Hello, this is Mazin Manassa, and I'm a BI Solutions Architect at Perficient. In this short video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Perficient's marketing analytics solution built on the Oracle BI Cloud platform. If you're using one or more marketing and sales applications, whether they are on-premises systems like Siebel or cloud applications like Salesforce or Oracle Cloud Apps, and you're looking to do cross-functional reporting across multiple source systems, then Perficient's marketing analytics solution serves as a great quick start, and it gets you up to speed on a comprehensive and well-integrated marketing analytics. Whether it's a marketing manager, an analyst, or a VP who wants to gain insight into marketing data, Perficient's pre-built analytics has dashboards to address the needs of everyone, and the content is supported by a foundational data model that covers all aspects of marketing processes. We therefore enable you to answer questions around campaign and channel performance, customer interactions, contact analysis, segment penetration, product growth and composition, retention and attrition rates, and there are also higher level reports around campaign planning and spending as well, in addition to many others. For example, as a marketing manager, I want to know the impact of our marketing campaigns on the sales pipeline and ultimately revenue. I want to be able to measure and compare the effectiveness of our campaigns and know what we're doing right, what can we learn from our successes, and apply that intelligence information to our less effective campaigns. At what stage of the process do we need to improve? The campaign performance dashboard is what gives me answers to such questions. The email channel, for example, looks good here. It is well staggered in terms of the contexts we loaded, targeted, responded, and all the way to the actual opportunities and orders. I click on it and I see that the corresponding response rate and lead conversion rate for that email channel are looking good. But when I look at the telephone channel, for example, I can quickly see there's a significant drop here for the yellow bar. The yellow bar is the number of people who responded. I click on telephone and I see that even though the conversion rate here is kind of acceptable, the problem seems to be with the response rate. It's in red in the gauge. So to get more information on why it's so low, I drill down on the gauge, and this now takes me to a detailed report broken by the individual campaigns in that channel. I see there are 3 campaigns, but one of them is completely missing the responses. So now I have identified the campaign which is problematic, and I can also drill down on the campaign which had no responses and get to the more detailed report at the contact level. Let's look at another example. As a marketing analyst, I want to better understand our customer behavior so we can come up with campaigning strategies that are better targeted for the different customer cohorts. I can then provide this valuable information to the marketing operations team and help them understand or enhance their segmentation logic. This dashboard analyzes my customer demographics. What we're looking at here are analyses by income range, age group, gender, and marital status. And of course, more can be added based on the nature of your business. By looking at the income range Pareto chart, I can easily see that if I target the cohort in the income range from 60K to 120K, I'm actually targeting close to 80% of my customers. And all these graphs here are currently based on the number of contacts with orders, but I can use this metric selector here on top to easily switch over and analyze using a different metric. So for example, see data based on how many individuals we are targeting in our campaigns, or number of responders, or those leads that converted over to orders. Other insights I can gain as a marketing analyst are related to segment penetration effectiveness. This allows me to know where we need to focus our future campaigns. The trellis view here shows me at a glance how my different segments are trending over time. So I notice the disconnected segment is trending down on revenue, and therefore we need to be careful how we focus on that segment and also perhaps revise the marketing strategies for that group. As an analyst, I can also analyze customer interactions. Average weeks between campaigns is showing me how frequently I'm targeting specific customer segments. and the graph on the right tells me how much of the customers are over-promoted to or under-promoted. Interactions by segment is showing me how each segment of my contacts is behaving. Of the people we contacted, how many responded and how many converted into real opportunities and orders. Interactions trend by segment. Here I notice that the blue area is increasing, so we are contacting more people, but the responders, leads, and orders are not increasing. So I know we need to reduce our spending on that segment or make an adjustment in our existing campaigns for that group. If you're interested in better understanding how your different products are behaving in the market, you can use the product analysis page to gain insight into product popularity and growth by customer segment. For instance, the household acquisition by product trends the new household acquisitions. The color signifies which products are experiencing higher growth compared to the rest of the products. This dashboard also allows us to figure out the next best product to promote to a certain group of people. We basically look at the product affinity report to understand the best cross-sell strategy. And to know which products are resulting in better customer retention, refer to the attrition and retention by product set of reports. As a VP of marketing, I want to keep an eye on campaign funding and spending. I come to the planning page where I can easily compare budgets assigned for each plan period against the actual spending. The opportunity pipeline shows me the sales pipeline in its current state as it compares to the goals. We see a percentage to the target across each stage of the pipeline. I can also check on how each region is doing in terms of requested funds versus the budget and actual invoiced. I can click on a region from the left side and get a spending trend of that region here next to it on the right. To understand how effective we are operating our campaigns in each region, I look at the sales effectiveness of marketing funding. The graph on the left shows me opportunity and actual revenue by region, and the one on the right is showing me budgeted and actual expense by region. If I want to know what's going on in a region where we're overspending, for example, all I have to do is click on that region and we get to a detail by campaign for that region and see which campaign we overspent on. In addition to the pre-built dashboards that you're getting from Perficient's marketing analytics solution, you also have the capability to leverage Perficient's data model to answer business questions as self-service. Oracle's BI Cloud data visualization component allows you to visualize your data, filter it, create new calculations, and even mesh it up against external data sources like Excel data or Oracle's cloud application data without needing any help from IT. All this is tailored for end users. For more information and detailed demos, feel free to reach out to Perficient. Thanks for watching.